Hello everyone, this is Sarah Lee. This is kind of an informal public service announcement I want to make on my podcast and on my YouTube channel. My roommate and I went through a 9-hour power outage in our neighborhood. Probably because some smart aleck, or maybe some innocent child, but for goodness sakes, I suggest we put a ban on coated balloons. Those metal coated balloons, because when they get into the power lines, they cause power failures, and they make sparks shoot everywhere. And around 12:30 today, Saturday, there's like this explosive sound, and we had to wait 9 hours to have our power restored. So it's not a joke. If you're going to keep on selling those balloons, manufacturers, for God's sake, let's have public service announcements. Don't throw or let balloons like that fly into the power lines. My roommate didn't seem to want me to put this up there because we didn't know if it was a balloon or not. But the power company told me that a foreign object contacted the power lines. For one thing, I didn't even know we had power lines still in our neighborhood. We need to catch up with the rest of the city. The rest of the city has underground transformers, I think. So we still have power lines here in City Heights? I can't believe it. So we're vulnerable to kids and big kids playing and throwing balloons up into the power lines and subjecting us to waiting 9 hours to have our power restored. It was hot today. We needed our fans and our air conditioning. And I had to wait till the middle of the night to go grocery shopping. And thanks to this scenario, it's almost midnight, and I'm waiting for someone to deliver just a few items because the grocery store is closed. I had to go to a convenience store. All right. No more balloons, you guys. No more monkey business with balloons.